Let's color this elephant. Let's choose light pink color for the inner part of the ears. Wow, it's look really nice. Now, let's choose dark purple color. For the feet part, oops. Yes, that's right now. Do you like to color? Share your drawings with me. Now let's choose this grayish blue color for the rest of the body of elephant. Do you like my elephant? It looks so cute. Yay, it's done. Yippee! Now let's color this beautiful strawberry. Are you ready to start? Now do you know what color strawberry is? Yes, you're right, it's red in color. Do you know what is the color of leaf and stem? Yes, you're right. It's green. Okay, so now we have an Easter egg. Let's color it using multicolors. I want to make a very funky Easter egg. Can you help me? Can you help me choose some colors? Some really nice and funky colors? Okay, so now I'm confused. What color should I choose? Please help me. I don't like orange. Which color should I choose? I'm not getting it. Can you help me please? Green? Should I choose green? Light green? I think yes. Light green is nice. Oh yes, it looks really nice. Okay.